Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be seeing how to install and configure WordPress on Ubuntu server. Okay, and I have a server created, droplet created in DigitalOcean, and I'll log in into it. Root at server, and yes, I'm logging in the server, and I'll paste the password here. I delete the droplets or servers every time I have done with the tutorial. Okay, so I hope the font size is clear. Let's start with the steps from the documentation. So we'll come to first step. First step says nothing much. We'll go to install dependencies. So we'll copy this and paste it directly. We'll first update the repositories. Let's do it one by one then. Let me do it. Okay, and I'll paste it here. Now I'll install all the packages that are listed here. These are required. Yes, we'll do yes for the installation. Okay, what is the next step? So we are using the release from WordPress. We can do the apt install also for it, but no, we will not do that because there can be problems and it will be the most updated thing. So what we'll do, we'll create the installation directory using this command. Once this is done, and then after that we'll change the permissions. Okay, and then we'll download the file and update the directory. So let's see what it is written. So this sets the ownership to the user. So there will be a data to the user and which is potentially insecure. So when your server hosts multiple sites with different maintainers, you should investigate using a user per website in such scenarios and make the files readable and writable to only those users. So this is doing that by setting the permission, and only the owners will have the permission to write. Okay. PHP to launch a separate instance per site as the site's user count. In such setup, WordPress Connect should do it differently. You need a good reason. We read only to the site. So this is a good step that we should do. Overall, that's what it means. Now we'll do the permission to owners to have write permission. Okay, done. And let's do this step also. You can follow this tutorial for getting any detail. We are just walking through the tutorial and see if it works correctly. So now what it is, we need to create this with the following lines, and how to create it is not given here. They should have given this. Create etc sites. So let me see if I can do touch or maybe get to this touch vi, and what we need to do is we need to paste this. I forgot WQ, and let's see if it works. Okay, so we can just do Control C to quit QA. So this is done. Now we'll do enable the WordPress site. So okay, we need to restart Apache 2. That wasn't mentioned here. Okay, now we'll do that step again. Already enabled. That's great. We'll do the rewrite. Okay, that thing happened, and we need to do system restart every time, or we can do it all at once after doing these things. So either we can do this or we can do this. Okay, but what we'll do is we'll just do this, and we will finally run this command. We will restart the service. Okay, so yeah, now we need to configure the database. So I'll do this. Okay, works great. And we need to create a WordPress database. That is also done. We'll need to create a WordPress user, and here we'll need to change the stuff a little bit. So I'm using the same password again to maintain the consistency, that I don't forget it. I'm using this as the password. So I need to provide it like this maybe. Okay, password is provided, and we need to do this. Let's see. Okay, the problem is it is supposed to be one statement. It is shown like that, alter, and now I need to provide this, and then I need to provide this. Okay, so this is done. Now I need to flush privileges. That is also done, and then simply quit. So let's see. I can do type it. So we have done step 5 also, and now we need to configure WordPress to connect to the database. So let's just copy this file and call this command, and let's see. Okay, this thing happened. Now I'll paste all of this stuff. Cool. And yeah, so we'll need to do some changes in this file. Let's see. Now finally, okay, so something is messed up. Now what we needed to do in this, set the database credential in the file. Do not replace database name here or username here in the commands below. Do replace your password with your database password. So I need to exit it, Command X, Control X, and I need to run this command. Username, I shouldn't change database name or username here, but I need to change the password here. So what I'll do, I'll run this command again. I'll copy it again. I copied everything. Okay, I'll copy it again, and I'll change the password here. Okay, and I'll replace the password with my password here. And then I'll press enter. Okay, and let's see. Finally, in a terminal session, open the configuration file in nano, and I'll open it again. db name and db password is WordPress. Control X. We can't see, right? We are seeing the old password only. I need to update this to have my password here. Command V. Oops. I provided my password here. So it's not updating here. We'll see. If it doesn't work, I'll come here and update this. Okay, but we needed to find it here. This section we needed to check. Find the following. Delete those lines. Control K will delete each line after you press the sequence. So we need to delete all the lines here. Delete those lines. We need to delete. Okay. First we need to bring our cursor here. Control K, Control K, Control K, Control K, Control K, and we need to write it out. Control O, and Yes, enter, and then Control X. We can verify it. Okay, and what we needed to do is we needed to replace it with this. Oh my god, how can I forget? So I missed it, but yeah, we'll open it again. It might be somewhere here. Shift, how to paste it? Control U. Okay, Command V works. Okay, now Control O to write, Control X to exit. We have done this part. Now we'll go to next step. We'll configure WordPress. So we need to open. Okay, so instead of opening localhost, we'll open this server IP. So let's go to the browser and copy this. See what happens. Let me copy it again. So error establishing a database connection, where we needed to update the password, and here I will update the password myself because I think that command doesn't work. I'll come here. What will do? I'll do this. I'll do Control O, exit, Control X. Let's see if it works. Yeah, okay, it works. So WordPress is successfully installed, and I can give it the name. I'll paste the same password here again. I'll give it the name Know It Today. Username Atul. This is the password, Mr. Atul Bhatt 97, or maybe we can give it Know It Today. And my email, Mr. Atul Bhatt 97 @gmail.com. Let's not do that. And this will now install the. Okay, now I'm in the admin. Know It Today, and password will be the same password. Let's do Remember Me. Cool, so we are into WordPress. Wow, we have successfully installed WordPress. So that was the proper WordPress installation, and you can create your site here. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. These are some automatically installed plugins. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next. Till then, follow the channel, subscribe it, like the video, comment it. What else do you want me to make video on? And I'll try that and make a video. Bye.